This is the noblechairs Epic series. This is the rather brilliant whites with sort of black accents. You can pick them up in multiple colours, and feel free to take a look at the link in the description down below if you want to check out pricing for the chair, but nonetheless, let's get into the review. So first things first, obviously taking it out of the box and getting it assembled was pretty easy. It was a fairly simple procedure. They do come with a pretty nice laminated card of instructions, but it's a fairly simple sort of procedure. All you do is attach the wheels to the sort of star base, put the gas cylinder in, attach the base to the bottom part of the chair, attach the rear sort of section or the sort of backrest to the base section, put the covers on, place it up and drop it on top, and that's pretty much it. You can also attach the both attachable or detachable pillows if you like, both the lumbar supports and the neck support pillow. Neck support pillow just goes over the top. The lumbar support pillow has some straps that go through the back of the chair and round and above through the sort of racing holes there, the sort of seatbelt harness holes if you like, so you can attach that and adjust it as well, which is also pretty cool. In terms of features, the chair is pretty plentiful. Starting with the armrests, you have multiple features there, so you've got the ability to adjust the height up and down. You can push the armrest forward or backwards, outwards a little or in towards you a little, and also swivel them slightly about 45 degrees either way, so you can have a little bit more comfort. The base of the chair obviously has height adjust and its own tilt adjust with a locking foot inside the base, so you can lock them in any one of, I think, about 5 positions, so you can find the comfort level you like. And of course you do have the ability to move the actual rear sort of backrest as well to any one of, I think, about 5 or 6 positions as well. This one doesn't go completely flat like some of the other gaming chairs that I have here, including the DX Racer Iron series, but it's still incredibly comfortable and you may end up falling asleep in it by accident. In terms of comfort with this chair, it's pretty nice. It's a little bit firmer than the Icon series, which is a little bit more plush, and then compared to the DX Racer Iron series, that's even more sort of plush and sort of, I guess, soft if you like. This one is a lot firmer. It's still very nice, and while the sort of curvature of the rear sort of bolsters, if you like, it isn't too tight, so if you are quite broad shouldered, then you will fit in this pretty nicely as well, so that's also nice to see. The side bolsters on the base of the chair also aren't too high of a rake there, so it's also pretty easy to fit in if you have sort of wider thighs too, so that's also pretty nice. And otherwise, besides the sort of slight firmness to it, it is a very comfortable chair, especially with the extra neck and lumbar support pillows. Quality wise, this one is the faux leather model. You can get a full real leather model for a little bit extra, so feel free to check out those if you fancy, but it is pretty nice. I have multiple both noblechairs and Nitro Concepts chairs here, and they've all held up to, especially the Icon, full daily use. It's literally the chair I sit in every day to make these videos and to play games and that sort of stuff, so that one's held up very nicely. It's the same sort of faux leather as this one, and I expect this one will hold up very nicely as well. I don't really have many gripes with this chair, besides its slight more firmness than the Icon series, which is why I'm going to keep that one on my sort of daily driver use desk. I will still be using this one on a very regular basis to game. It is still plenty comfortable, lots of adjustability, and while it does have a relatively high price tag, again, similar to all of my gaming chair reviews, if you can find a sort of sort of office chair kind of thing that has a similar sort of feature set that works for you and is cheaper, feel free to go for that one. But if you do want the gamer aesthetic chair that actually has a lot of features and a lot of comforts, then this is actually a pretty nice shout too. Moving on to scoring, and for me this is a pretty impressive chair. It's certainly on the expensive side of things, which is why it's getting a 3.5 value for money, but for performance it's getting a 5. Functionality has to be at least a 4.5, and styling for me, I love the look of this one, so it's going to be a 5 as well. TechteamGB score is going to be a 4.5 and a gold award, as it's a really impressive chair. It's certainly on the expensive side of things, but very comfortable. I think it's going to last a pretty decent amount of time, and a lot of features to boot as well, so yeah, pretty awesome. So if you want to check out this chair, and especially all the different colours and options available, feel free to take a look at the link in the description down below. If you have any questions or want me to answer anything for the sort of specs of the chair, feel free to let me know in the comments down below as well, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And hopefully at some point in this video we'll have posted up the full spec list somewhere next to me, but I might just throw it up here now. So if you need any extra information on the specs for the chair, they should be on the screen for you. Otherwise, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful and informative. As I said, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you want to support the channel and me making these videos on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday basis, take a look at the Patreon link in the description down below. You can directly support me and get rewards for doing it, or you can use the Amazon and OverclockersUK affiliate links for a sort of slight less direct method of helping me, but it's definitely something that supports the channel, so please do use those when you can. And otherwise, there will be some other videos over here for you to check out. So if you're new, feel free to check out that subscribe button too. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.